Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the 0XC00021A error, or your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart error in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be opening first the automatic repair loop screen. So to do that, simply press and hold the shift key in your keyboard and then click on the restart button that you will find in this shutdown and sign out option here. So all you need to do is just to click on that, do that action. And since I can show you, or I won't be entering that screen, because the moment I do that, the software that I am using to record this video or to record the screen will be automatically turned off and it will cut the video. So I'll just be saying to you on what keys or options to click on that. So please go click now troubleshoot once you're in the automatic repair loop screen. And once you have clicked on troubleshoot, please proceed with advanced. And once you're in the advanced settings or advanced window, all you need to do is just to click on the command prompt. And from here, I will now be showing to you on what commands that you need to enter to the command prompt window. So the first thing you need to do is to go, let me just open quickly my command prompt window. So here, the first command that we need to type is C:, and then once you have typed it, just please click on enter. And then next is dir, and then click on enter again. And then the next thing is dism space / image C colon, and then next is /, then /, then cleanup -image, and then the next thing is space, then / and restore health. Again, it's dism space / image C:, / cleanup -image space / restore health. After doing this, or after typing this command, just please click on enter again. And then the moment you do that, we need to type now exit to exit this window. And then once you have already exited this window, all you need to do is just to go now to the troubleshoot option again, and then click on advanced options again, and click on command prompt options. So once you're in the command prompt window again, all you need to do is just to type C:, and then click on enter, and then click on or type dir again, and then click on enter. And then the next command is chkdsk, and then click on enter again. I'm sorry, it's chkdsk space /f space /r, and then click on enter. And then the next thing is you need to type y. And then after typing y, you can now click on sfc space sfc space / scan now. This is the system file checker provided by Microsoft. After doing this one, just click on enter and it will start scanning the system, and just wait for the verification process to be done. After the verification process to be done, here we need to type dism space / online space / cleanup image or cleanup -image, and then space / restore health. And then once you're done typing this one, click on enter again. And then by this time, we need to type exit to exit this window. And then once you exited that window, all you need to do is just to click on the continue button there, and you have now successfully fixed the problem or the error 0XC00021A. Okay, So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.